If I told you just standing like this you can actually burn your belly fat, you probably wouldn't believe me and you'll just laugh it off as a joke. But believe me, the ancient practice of yoga, which has scientific backing also, has the potency and the potential, the supreme power to govern your body with just a simple breathing technique. You can actually burn and melt that belly fat and achieve a slim waist finally. It's a very simple technique which will actually efficiently help you to breathe fire within your belly. And once you have that fire going within your belly, nobody can stop you from losing that belly fat once and for all. I hope you're all ready to understand the nitty-gritties and the nuances of this very exercise. It's a technical process, but so simple, so easy, and very beginner friendly. This one simple exercise has many benefits by just regulating your breathing. All it does is boosts your metabolism, increases your BMR level and burns the fire within your belly so that you can burn any food that you are eating, and hence it tightens and tones your flabby abdominal muscles, and that is exactly when you will get a flat belly and a slim waist. So this all-effective simple exercise is known as Agni Sar Kriya. It's such a simple and easy breathing technique which I'm going to teach you now. You will be so happy to see the results. But keep in mind, people who have hypertension issues, who have cardiac problems, who have hernia, ulcers or any abdominal surgery recently, or if you're pregnant or during your periods or menstruation, you're not supposed to do this very exercise. Now that I've given you all the information, let me show you the correct way of doing this very exercise. To begin this exercise, we're going to spread our legs a slightly more than shoulder width apart. Then we're going to bend forward, keep our knees bended slightly and our elbows absolutely straight in this very posture. And this is how you have to be while regulating your breathing technique. You don't have to look down. You don't have to look this side or this side. You should be looking straight. Let me show you from the side pose. Your elbows should be straight and your knees should be bent. This is how you have to be in this very position while performing this very exercise. Now let me show you exactly what you have to do. So for the breathing part of it, what you need to do is first stand straight and inhale as much as air as you can, fill up your lungs completely, and while going down you have to exhale. So when you go down and exhale completely, leave the air out of your body, and then you have to start reverberating your abdominal muscles back and forth very effectively. Not just that, while you're performing this exercise, make sure that your navel is sucked in all the way back to your spine as much as you can. That is when you will feel the maximum amount of benefit from this very exercise. Let me show you how to do it again. I could do about 10 counts. If you can do only 2 or 3 counts in the beginning, that's perfectly fine. Do it at your ease. You have the right to decide till when you can stretch it, but make sure you keep practicing it so you end up increasing the count size of this exercise. So let me show you this exercise from the side pose. Then you have to come up and breathe in and relax. Between every exercise, you can actually take a pause of 5 to 10 seconds, regain your strength, because this actually burns a lot of calories. So definitely your heart rate goes up. Now let's do this exercise 5 times together. So all I request you all to do is, when you're inhaling, completely you need to inhale, and when you're exhaling, you need to exhale completely and stop right there. And then you have to reverberate your stomach, and while coming up, you have to inhale again. Make sure to keep these things in mind. I might not be able to talk because I will be performing this exercise. Let's do it. Now again, second time. Now let's do the last one together. That's it. You've managed to do at least 5 counts of this very successfully. Now all you need to do is, this is beginner friendly. You can do at least 5 counts every single day, and between every count you can take about 5 seconds gap. Just keep your breathing normal. Whenever you can feel the stress, you can relax. It's fine. And take it up to 10 to 20 counts daily. And when you think you can master the 10 to 20 counts, take it up to 50. The more, the better. You will actually see excellent results after having performed this exercise on an empty stomach every single morning. The only thing you have to keep in mind while performing this exercise, you're not supposed to eat anything at least 2 hours before. So the best time to do is early in the morning, as soon as you wake up. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.